Morning boys and girls, Miss Stringer here. We're going to be learning a new sound today. The sound that we are going to be learning is I. I. I, I, I. I, I, I. Well done, it's a bouncy sound. Now I've got some pictures here that start with our new sound I. I have got a little monkey and he is a bit itchy. I, itchy. I, itchy. Itchy. I've got an invitation. 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 Like when you get an invitation to a party. I've got an insect. 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 Well done. And I've got instruments. 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 Good job, well done. Now, I am going to draw something for you. Let's see if you can have a guess at what it is. Are you ready? This is body, and that is his head. It's an insect. 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 Well done. Next to the insect, I'm going to write our new sound. I. I, I, I. I. Well done. I've got a big sound card here. And on this side, look, you can see an insect. Insect. Well done. And on this side, you can see I. Just like the ones I wrote down there. Now, when I show you this side, you're going to say insect. And when I show you this side, you know it, you're going to say I. Now, my turn first, then it will be your turn. Insect. Insect. Your turn. Are you ready? Well done. Good job. Well done. Give yourselves a fantastic. Now I'm going to put this new sound in the pack of sounds that we already know. I'm going to hide it and I'm going to see if you can find it. Are you ready? Let's see if you can remember the sounds that you did last week. Ah, well done. T, d, s, I. Well done, you found it. Let's hide it again. See if you can find it one more time. Ready? Good job, you found it again. Excellent. Now we're going to learn how to write I. Now it's quite an easy one, so I think you'll be really, really good at this. So we'll get our pens ready and we go down the insect's body and a dot for his head. Let's have a go together. Ready? Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. Can you write a small one? Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. Now let's have a go at a big one. Ready? Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. Have a little go. Well done. Now, can you have a practice of our t, t, t? We learned that one last week. Let me remind you how to write it. You're going to go down the tower, across the tower. Have a go. Next, I want you to have a go at S. Now, S can be a little bit tricky. You've got to slither down the snake, but you've got to remember which way to slither. So watch me string it carefully. Slither down the snake. Can you see that? I'll do it again for you to see. Slither down the snake. Now, the last sound we're going to have a go at is D. Now that one is a tricky one, so watch carefully. Round the dinosaur's bottom, up his tall neck and down to his feet. Have a little go at those. Well done. Now, I have got somebody here to see you. This is Fred. Can you remember Fred? Say hello, Fred. Now, Fred's got some words for us. Remember, Fred can only say the sounds in the words. We've